Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. Oops, Snapchat is a camera app. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're opening up Snapchat and you get an error that looks like this, it says, "Oops. Snapchat is a camera app." To continue, you'll need to allow camera access in settings. So this is an error that basically says if you want to use this Snapchat app, it's meant to take photos and videos and send those to their friends. So you need to allow Snapchat access to your camera to be able to use the app. So to fix that, we'll get out of here and we'll open up our settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we find Snapchat. So it will be towards the bottom. Here, there's Snapchat. Now again, they want to access our camera, so you'll see camera and midway down, and we can toggle that on, which gives the Snapchat app access to our camera. And then if we go out here and open up Snapchat again, you can see it doesn't have that error message anymore because now it can access the camera. Of course, we can just go to our DMS and chat and all that stuff. We don't have to use our camera at this point, but in order to be able to access Snapchat, you have to give it access to your camera so that it can take photos if you want it to. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.